Hello everyone, congratulations on the opening of the LIBOR Global Breakfast. My name is Ki-ho Lee. I am the president of GLASS. GLASS is a group of real estate experts. We are based in Seoul, South Korea. GLASS was founded in 2008. Now, we have about 200 members. All of them are actively working in real estate. We specialize in real estate development. We also work in brokerage service. Our focus is on residential and commercial properties. We provide consulting for interior facility to build a strong global network. GLASS works with NAR, AREA, and Southeast Asian Real Estate Group. We also collaborate with Buy Korea through K-Contents. South Korea is a great place for real estate investment. The country is growing rapidly. Its global real estate value is increasing. Please take interest in Korean real estate. Finally, on behalf of GLASS members, I wish for the great success of this event. Thank you.
Hola, soy Leonard Cambronero, vocal 2 de la Junta Directiva de la Cámara de Bienes Raíces de Costa Rica. Es un honor darles la bienvenida y compartir nuestro acuerdo con su organización. Esta alianza fortalece la conexión entre nuestros miembros y abre nuevas oportunidades en el sector inmobiliario. Los invitamos a unirse, compartir experiencias y crecer juntos en esta gran comunidad. Esperamos trabajar con ustedes y construir un futuro exitoso.
Hola, soy Mónica López Lutz. Soy secretaria de la Junta Directiva de la Cámara Costarricense de Corredores de Bienes Raíces. Es un honor darles la bienvenida y compartir nuestro acuerdo con su organización. Esta alianza fortalece la conexión entre nuestros miembros y abre nuevas oportunidades en el sector inmobiliario. Los invitamos a unirse y compartir experiencias y crecer juntos en esta gran comunidad. Esperamos trabajar con ustedes y construir un futuro exitoso.
Hello everyone, my name is Kian An. I'm the president of the Malaysian Institute of Estate Agents, and it's an honor for us to be with our partners, with the LIBOR Long Island Board of Realtors, and we have been friends for many years, and we will hope that we can continue a long-term collaboration with more cross-border transactions. And not only that, we are also a partner with NAR, whereby this year MIEA, the Malaysian Institute of Estate Agents, is being recognized as the bilateral partner of the year. So we hope that there will be more collaboration in future, and we also hope to see you guys in Malaysia, Kuala Lumpur. Sekian, terima kasih, salam sejahtera, and I look forward in seeing all of you in Malaysia.
Hello everyone, my name is Anodari. I'm one of the board member of Real Estate Academy Mongolia, and Real Estate Academy Mongolia is bilateral partner of National Association of Realtors. And also I work as an advisor to the academy, and we work with LIBOR Association since 2018, and I want to special thanks to Mr. Yoshi Takita, and we want success cooperation in the common years. Thank you.
Hello, ជំរាបសួរ UC នាងខ្ញុំតាំងហួរមកពីប្រទេសកម្ពុជាចាថ្ងៃនេះចង់ថ្លែងអំណរគុណ UC ដែលកន្លងមកតែងតែជួយ support ការងារជាមួយ NAR ហើយនឹងការងារនៅប្រទេសកម្ពុជាសមាគមអចលនទ្រព្យស្រុកខ្មែរគឺ CVA អរគុណ UC កន្លងមក UC តែងតែជួយសពបែបយ៉ាងមិនថា គ្រប់ពេលដែល UC មកប្រទេសខ្មែរកម្ពុជាហើយមិនថាដែលខ្ញុំទៅប្រជុំជាពិសេសនោះនៅ NAR UC តែងតែជួយ support networking ហើយនឹង support global NAR តំណែងជាមួយភ្ញៀវជាតិអន្តរជាតិជាច្រើនហើយជាពិសេសនោះក្នុងកម្មវិធី NAR ដែលយើងធ្វើកន្លងមកហើយមិនថាតែម្ដងហ្នឹងគឺច្រើនដងអរគុណ UC ដែលតែងជួយ support Hello UC thank you so much thank you for everything that you have been support between CVA with NAR networking in USA and thank for everything that you always have for before our trip and during our trip and during our event at the NAR thank you so much
สวัสดี LIBOR Hi LIBOR Hello LIBOR We are REALTOR Real Estate Sales
and Marketing Association.
We are NAR bilateral partners from Thailand.
Hi, I am Andy Manyalak from the Philippines. I represent the Chamber of Real Estate Builders and Associations, or CREBA, as a Vice President for International Affairs. We are a bilateral partner of LIBOR, and we are very happy with this relationship for the past few years, and we hope that we would be able to make a more active relationship between the two parties. And I'm also looking forward to having more collaborations with your organization. And we are looking forward to welcome you here in the Philippines.
Hola, soy Katia Esquivel, vicepresidenta de la Cámara Costarricense de Corredores de Bienes Raíces. Es un honor darle la bienvenida y compartir nuestro acuerdo con su organización. Esta alianza fortalecerá la conexión entre nuestros miembros y abrirá nuevas oportunidades en el sector inmobiliario. Los invitamos a unirse, a compartir experiencias y sobre todo a crecer juntos en esta gran comunidad. Esperamos trabajar con ustedes y construir un futuro exitoso.
Good day to all NAR and LIBOR members. Greeting from Indonesia. Apa kabar semuanya? My name is Clement Francis. I am the president of Association of Real Estate Broker Indonesia, REB. We have more than 1,400 company members and we have been established for 32 years. We are always happy to become a part of NAR and we are very happy to have a mutual relationship with LIBOR. We always welcome you to get in touch and connect with us. Thank you. Terima kasih. REB for us, by us, to all members.
Xin chào from Vietnam. My name is Dirk, representing the Vietnam National Real Estate Association. It is my pleasure to send warm greetings to our esteemed partners at Long Island Board of Realtors and the National Association of Realtors. VNREAL is dedicated to advance the real estate sector in Vietnam by fostering a strong industry network, sharing expertise, and enhancing collaboration between real estate professionals worldwide. Through our MOU partnership with LIBOR and NAR, we aim to strengthen international cooperation, promote knowledge exchange, and create new business opportunities for all our members. We warmly welcome all of you to connect with us, exchange insights, and explore new partnerships. Vietnam's real estate market is full of potential, and VNREAL is excited to build stronger relationships with our global partners. Let's grow together. Thank you, and we look forward to working with you soon.
My name is Adeni Tinubu. I am international RealTour members from Nigeria. I work globally. I'm so glad that we have our partner, LIBOR, from United States. I'm so glad to be one of the board of directors in Nigeria here, and we work globally. You can reach out to me if you do need anything in Africa, most especially in Nigeria. Thank you.